Good evening, ma'am. I'm here to explain the inmate reception process in the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology or BJMP. The process begins at the gate, where the gate officer, also known as gater, is responsible for verifying the identity of both the escorting officer and the inmate being committed. The officer checks that all requirement documents are complete, including the commitment order, medical certificate, complainant information, police booking sheet, and the certificate of detention from the PNP or NBI. Once these are verified, the inmate and the escort are properly searched and then directed to the next step. The next step is the record unit, where the receiving officer carefully check all the submitted documents to make sure that they are completed and authentic. This ensures the commitment is legal and properly documented before the inmate is officially accepted into custody. After that, the inmate proceeds to the health unit where the jail nurse verifies the medical certificate and examines the inmate physical condition. This step is very important to make sure the inmate is healthy and fit to be detained inside the facility. Once medically cleared, the inmate returns to the record unit to start the booking process. Here, the receiving officer completes the jail booking sheet, perform a strip search, take the inmate's fingerprint and photographs, and has the inmate sign the detainee manifestation, which is a written agreement to follow the same rules and discipline as convicted inmates. The process then continue with the property custodian, who check all the inmate personal belonging to make sure that no prohibited items or contraband are bought inside. The property custodian secure this item and list down in the property receipt for record keeping and safekeeping. Next, the desk officer document the inmate's personal information in the jail blotter and assign the inmate to a reception area. This helps in keeping an organized record of all personnel in custody. Afterwards, the assistant warden or the officer of the day give an orientation to the inmate using the inmate's orientation sheet. They explain the jail rules, regulations, and the responsibilities of every inmate inside the facility. This orientation helps the inmate understand the do's and don'ts during detention. Finally, the entire process is supervised by the jail warden. The warden is responsible for making sure all steps are properly done. He also coordinates with the court and prosecutor regarding the inmate's case, submit a written report to officially confirm the inmate's commitment to the jail. In summary, the BJMP inmate reception process ensures that every inmate is legally, safely, and properly admitted into the facility. It involves checking documents, medical examinations, booking, property inspection, documentation, orientation, and final approval by the jail warden. This system maintains order, safety, and proper record keeping inside the jail facility. Thank you for listening. Good evening and thank you, ma'am.